This is the series on the easiest way to solve a Rubik's Cube for complete beginners. So in this part, we're going to solve the entire bottom layer of the cube. So that means we already had this white cross from the previous step, and now we're going to put the corners in the right spot. So remember, corner pieces, they have three colors. So this is orange, blue, and white. And basically what we're going to do is we have the orange center, we have the blue center, and so then we want to put the corner piece in between there. The orange, blue, and white corner piece there. And so we do that for all of the sides, and then we solve the bottom layer. So now I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the first step is you want to look for the corner piece. So right here, we can see that this is the blue, white, and orange corner piece, and this is orange, blue, and white. So what we're going to do is you hold the corner piece, you put it above the edge where it's supposed to go. So it's already in the right spot, but say this corner piece was over here, then we just move it to where the corner piece is above where it's supposed to go. So it's supposed to go here because it's, again, between orange and blue, and there's white on the bottom, so the orange, blue, and white corner goes here. Okay, so we move the corner over to where it's supposed to go, and then we do the right algorithm. So we're going to go right, up, upper, clockwise, right, down, and then upper counterclockwise. And we can see that it's in the correct spot now. Orange is touching orange, blue is touching blue, and white is touching white. So you're going to have to do this a different number of times depending on where the corner piece is. So for this video, I won't talk about it, but there are a few different tricks to where you don't have to do it as many times in certain cases. So I'll just make a bonus tip video at the end, but when you're just starting out, it's fine just to always do the right algorithm. Okay, so now you want to look for corner pieces that are in the top layer. It works if the corner piece is in the bottom, but it's easier to start with it in the top layer. So I see this blue, white, and red corner piece. And so now I want to rotate it to where it is over the blue and red and white slot. So now it's over there, and I just keep doing the right algorithm until it's in the right spot. So I'm going to go right forward, upper, right back, upper counterclockwise. Then I check. Nope, it's not in the right spot because we need to have red over here, blue over here, and white down here. So we do it again. Right upper, so that's made it confusing. Right forward, upper, right back, upper clockwise or upper counterclockwise, and obviously this is not in the right spot because it's not even in the corner. So then we do the right algorithm again, and we find that it is in the correct spot now. Okay, so then we keep looking, and we find that we have the red, green, and white corner is here, and it happens to be over the correct slot. So then we do the right algorithm, and this is the worst case. I'm just going to tell you right now, it takes 5 steps from this part. If the white sticker is facing you, it's going to take 5 times. So I'll just go do that. Okay, so now it's in the correct spot. Now we have just one more, it's orange, green, and white. So I'm going to rotate it to where it's over the orange, green, and white slot. And then I'm going to keep doing the algorithm until it's done. So for this one, if the white sticker's on top like this, it's going to take 3 times. And there, the entire bottom layer is solved. And now there's just one more case I'm going to show you that didn't come up. So let me just go scramble the cube. So here's a case I want to show you. So let's say the corner piece is in the bottom. So if it's in the bottom, there's like 2 possible cases. So if it's down here, okay, so it's down here, but it's in the right spot. So this is red, white, and blue, and it's between white, red, and blue. So you can just start doing the right algorithm just from here, like this, if it ends up in this case. So where the corner is in the right spot but wrong orientation, you just do the right algorithm like normal. But in this case, this is the orange, blue, and white corner, but it's between, this is the red side, the green side, and the white side, so it's not in the correct spot. So what you do is you just do the right algorithm to get this corner piece out of the bottom and into the top. So normal right algorithm, And now this corner piece is up top. And so then you look and you see this is the blue and orange spot. So you know that the piece needs to go here. And so you put the corner piece where it's above its slot, and then from there, it's just like normal. You do the right algorithm. And there, the corner piece is now in the right spot. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to solve the middle layer.